jaita wame, dinota, jaita wame, dinota. Yes. There is a comment that I saw someone say that you should read this one. So that's what I'm doing. Jaita to wame, jidoda, zino chita wame.
This is too much for you. What do you mean?
Jaita wame, dino sako, zino chuta wame.
Let me see.
This is
All right. No, it's saying, Zauno itavamwe.
Jaino wuta.
Vamwe.
Wame.
Ndizo.
Dijo.
Uchaitirwa.
Dijo.
Za. Uchaitirwa.
Ucha. Tarira.
Guys, this is too much for my wife. Can you try it again? Zauno itavamwe.
Zauno tutavame.
Dijo. Uchaitirwa.
Jatura izwa.
Chaitirwa.
Chatirwa.
Guys, this is too much for my wife.
No, it's not.
Yeah, don't worry, you'll be there soon.
This one is so difficult.
So it's like in English, the meaning is what goes around comes around.
All right.
Yes. So no itirava.
It's so difficult.
Yes, so uchaitirwa.
I think today I failed.
No, not you'll be there. Don't worry. This language is not easy.
Yeah.
It's not easy. So hi guys, I hope you're doing well wherever you are. Murora is saying, "Zauno itirava." Diesel. So uchaitirwa.